What do you do?
I work in a bank. I'm unemployed at the moment. I run my own business. I'm retired now. I used to be an engineer.
Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 2 years now. I'm divorced. I'm engaged, we're getting married next year. No, but I'm in a relationship. Nope, I'm single.
Why are you studying English?
So I can communicate when I travel. I love learning new languages. Because I'd like to immigrate to the US. I'm thinking of studying in England.
Where did you learn English? How did you learn English?
I took classes for 3 years. I did an intensive course. I've been studying on my own. I picked it up from movies and songs.
What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time. I usually hang out with friends. I go running a lot. I do volunteer work. I like reading and relaxing at home.
What's the weather like? How's the weather?
Hot and humid. It's pouring, take an umbrella. A little chilly, you might want to bring a jacket. Gorgeous, a perfect summer day. It's quite cold, make sure to bundle up.
What time is it? Do you have the time?
It's 10 o'clock. It's 4:30. It's 11:45. Let me check my phone. Sorry, I don't know.
Can I help you? Do you need any help?
No thanks, I'm just browsing. Yes, do you have this in a larger size? Yes, where are the try-on rooms? Yes, can you tell me how much this is? Yes, I'm looking for something under $30.
How's it going?
Great. Couldn't be better. Fine. How are things with you? Not bad. I can't complain.
How are you feeling?
Great. Never better. I'm all right. Like I need a vacation. A little depressed. Really awful.
How was your day?
Really good. Pretty uneventful. Very productive. Super busy. A total nightmare.
Did you like the movie?
It was fantastic. It was terrible. It wasn't bad. It's one of the best I've ever seen. No, I didn't think it lived up to the hype.
How was the party?
Crazy, it was absolutely packed. It was a good time. Small, but fun. There was hardly anybody there. Boring, I couldn't wait to get out of there.
Can you give me a hand?
Of course. I'd be glad to. Will it take long? Sure, just a sec. Sorry, I'm a bit busy at the moment.
What have you been up to lately?
I've been working a lot. I've been taking it easy. Planning my summer vacation. Nothing much.
What's the matter?
Oh, I'm just having a rough day. I'm not feeling so good. I just found out my mother's in the hospital. I'd rather not talk about it. Nothing, I'm fine.
What would you like to drink?
Iced tea, please. Just water for me. What do you have? Could we see the beverages list? Nothing for me, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Not quite, I think we need a little more time. What are the specials today? Yes, I'll have a Caesar salad and then the grilled chicken with potatoes. To start, we'll split an order of tomato soup. Almost, I just have a couple of questions.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine, thanks. It's all delicious. Could we have some more water, please? Actually, I'm still waiting for my side dish. To be honest, my food is kinda cold. Could you heat it up?
Can I get you anything else?
2 decaf coffees, please. Just the check, please. Could I have a look at the dessert menu? I'll have a slice of apple pie. No thanks, I think we're just about done. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.